Hello friends, welcome back. Let us continue with the previous year gate questions. Let us first, this is the question given in the 2021 2 marks. Remember that without a question from the consolidation chapter, gate question paper won't be there, either in any set. So here if you see, even in 2021, they have asked for around 4 to 5 marks in the corresponding set. Okay, so let us see questions. So what is the given question here? The soil profile at a construction site is shown in the figure. Okay, this is an auto the scale. Groundwater table is at a 5 meters below the ground. And old data showed that water table was at the 10 meter below the ground level. That means let us assume that this is what nothing but your old data. That means the water table is somewhere here. Now what will be this distance? 10 meter. And what they're asking? Unit weight is considered 9.81. We have to find out the over consolidated ratio. How can I find the over consolidation ratio? This is nothing but an effective stress at a point or at any point in the past divided by effective stress at a point in the present. Now what they need to find? They need to find at the middle of the clay layer. Okay, let us assume that you are studying the value in the past. Now what will be the effective stress from here to here? It will be of dry sand. What is the dry sand? What is the value? 17.5 into 10 plus remaining is how much? From total here to here 15. After this 10 is remaining is 5 plus 5 into gamma dash is how much? Gamma saturation is given as here 18.5. So 18.5 minus 9.8 plus at the center of the clay layer. So center means 3. 3 into 17 is gamma saturation minus 9.8. So this is what nothing but your effective stress in the past. So if you solve this, we'll get things values around 240.02. Right now, let us find out at the present case. In the present case, what is the value? Your water table is raised. That means our effective stress will decreases. So what about the amount? 17.5 into, now the dry amount is 5 meter only. 17.5 into 5 plus remaining is 10. So 10 into 18.5 minus 9.81 plus clay layer won't change. 17 minus 9.8. So if you solve this, how much you will get it? Or do the calculation and tell me how much you will get it. Then this one you will get it as around 195.97. That's it. What about the over consolidated ratio? Effective stress in the past. How much we got? 240.02. 240.02. At the present, how much is the value? 195.97. So if we solve this, we'll get this value is around 1.22. So this is what nothing but our over consolidation ratio. Move on to the next. So this is again given in the year 2021, and this is asked for the 1 mark. Hope you can tell me the answer. Like the most appropriate triaxial test to access the long-term stability. Wherever we are interested in the long-term stability, we have to go for the drained test. That means we have to go for the consolidated drained test. So the correct option is A. Move on to the next. And this is also the question that is asked in the year 2021, asked for the 2 marks. If you see, there is no formula is required, just no calculation, just you should know the formula. Here, by looking at this formula, you can understand that this is what I wrote regarding the settlement, right? But here you can observe h by 1 plus c naught same, but here you can see two different cases. What is it? Cc is nothing but a compression index. Cs is nothing but a swelling index. That means wherever there is a pre-consolidated pressure, there the soil might have swelled. There you have to use the swelling index. Otherwise, we have used the recompression index. So from P naught to PC, this is like the swelling value. So from PC to P naught, we have to use the swelling index. For the remaining value, we have to use the compression index. So the correct option is B. Right? In the next video, we'll continue the remaining problems. Thank you.